Humans, gather round. Today we embark on a journey into the mysterious and utterly delightful world of quantum tunneling. It's a concept so fantastic, it's like me appearing on the counter when you swear you shut the door. Coincidence? No. Physics? Absolutely. Picture this. You're holding a slice of toast slathered in peanut butter, a breakfast masterpiece if ever there was one. But between you and your beloved couch, the ideal spot to enjoy it, stands a wall, a locked door, a barrier of despair. In the normal world, your world, you'd have to open the door or find another way around. Classical physics demands effort, but in the quantum world, things work differently. The universe looks at the wall and says, what if we just ignored it? And just like that, poof, you and your toast are on the other side, lounging happily on the couch. No fuss, no door, no problem. You see, particles and clever cats don't exist in just one spot. Oh no, they're spread out like a smear of probabilities, much like peanut butter on your toast. This means that while most of you is stuck on one side of the wall, there's always a tiny chance that part of you is already on the couch. And sometimes that chance becomes reality. Boom! You've tunneled through the wall without even lifting a paw. Science, my friends. Now let me be clear. The chances of tunneling are small, like the chance of you leaving a plate of chicken unattended without me noticing. But small doesn't mean impossible. If the universe allows it, even a tiny probability can become real. That's how particles and genius cats like me get to the other side of barriers without breaking a sweat. But it's not just about toast and walls, delightful though they are. Quantum tunneling is the reason the sun shines. Inside its fiery core, protons are trying to fuse, but they're stuck behind a massive energy barrier. Normally, they'd repel each other like two cats fighting over a sunny spot. But tunneling allows them to sneak through the barrier, fuse together, and release energy. Without tunneling, no sunshine. Without sunshine, no warm naps. Without warm naps, well, let's not even think about such a tragedy. So what's the takeaway here? Quantum tunneling is the universe's ultimate shortcut. It's how particles and ambitious cats like me ignore barriers and achieve the impossible. It's not magic, it's physics. And the next time you see me inside the pantry, even though you know the door was closed, don't blame mischief. Blame quantum mechanics. Class dismissed. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some tunneling to do. There's a locked cabinet calling my name.